rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I told you we have only 2 months. Okay. So in this 2 months, I will tell you how to speak in English. किस तरह English बोलनी है. So it is very simple. It is very simple. ये बहुत आसान है. If you do practice, if you do speaking practice, so you will be able to speak English. If you don't do practice, so you will not able to speak English. अगर आप practice करोगे तो ही आप English बोल सकते हो, otherwise नहीं बोल सकते. Practice किस तरह की जाए? I will ask a story. Basically, I will tell you a story, but I will ask a question. I will ask a question in the story. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा और उसमें सवाल पूछूंगा, उसका जवाब आपने देने. You have to tell the answer. You have to tell the answer. Today I am going to tell you present simple story. Tomorrow I will change this story in past simple, and day after tomorrow I will change into future simple. So only one story we can use in present simple, we can use in past simple, and we can use in future simple. So today's story, there is a man. एक बंदा है, सही है. There is a man. If we say how can we change in past simple, it's really common where we use SMR and we will use was word. If we say how can we use in future simple, so will be, because when we use SMR was word, we use will be. So I will tell you tomorrow, but not today. Today we are going to do practice. Okay, so let us start. There is a man. Remember this story. There is a man. His name is Crazy. उसका नाम क्या है? Crazy. Listen carefully. Story याद रखनी है आपने, क्या बोल रहा हूँ. There is a man. एक बंदा है. His name is Crazy. He is 30 years old. वो कितने साल का है? 30 साल का है. He is mentally ill. वो दिमागी तौर पे बीमार है. He always says, दिमागी तौर पे बीमार है तो वो क्या कहता है हर किसी को, जरा सुनिएगा. वो हर किसी को कहता है he is a doctor, engineer, pilot and deputy commissioner of police. It's a story because when we are making a story, when we are telling a story, so we don't get bored. हमें बोर नहीं होना. अगर हम बोर हो गए तो फिर इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकेंगे. So let us start. There is a man. Do you remember the story? There is a man. इसका मतलब एक बंदा है. उसके बाद his name is Crazy. उसका नाम क्या था? Crazy. He is 30 years old. वो 30 साल का है. He is mentally ill. उसका दिमाग ज़हनी तवाज़ुन खराब है या वो दिमागी तौर पे कमजोर है, बीमार है. He always says, वो हमेशा कहता है. क्योंकि हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल में स्टोरी बना रहे हैं तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? He always says. अगर हम पास्ट में बना रहे थे तो क्या बोलते हैं? He always told या he always said. इस तरह हम बोलते हैं. But we are talking about present. So he always says. वो क्या कहता था? He is a doctor. वो डॉक्टर है. He is an engineer. I do not use he is a doctor, he is an engineer, he is a pilot. I just use comma, just like this. He is a doctor, वो डॉक्टर है. इंजीनियर है. पायलट है. and डिप्टी कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस. सो कितनी पोजीशन है उसके पास, कितनी डेजिग्नेशन है उसके पास. बट he just think about this, he is, but he is not, because he is mentally ill. वो सोचता है कि वो ऐसा है लेकिन वो है नहीं. सोचने से तो बंदा कहीं भी पहुंच सकता है, सही है. So he always get headache. उसको हमेशा क्या रहता था? सर में दर्द. क्योंकि दिमागी तौर पे कमजोर था. ये सोचता था वो पता नहीं क्या क्या है, तो वो सर में दर्द रहता है. क्योंकि दिमागी जो मरीज होते हैं उनके सर में दर्द होता है. थोड़ा बहुत तो कहानी में ऐसा लगा ना कि थोड़ी बहुत सेंसिबल भी लगे. अब बिल्कुल ही ऐसी. He wants to be a president. देखो वो क्या कहता था? मैं पायलट हूँ, मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ. लेकिन वो कभी भी अपने आप को क्या उससे पूछा जाए तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? तो वो कहता था I want to be president of Pakistan. मैं पाकिस्तान का प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता हूँ. He has a bike and he has two brothers. He has two brothers and one sister. He has a bike and he has two brothers and one sister. He has polite nature. He has polite nature. उसका मिजाज क्या था? बड़ा ही नरम मिजाज का था. ये थी हमारी कहानी. अब इसमें सवाल पूछने हैं. किस तरह सवाल पूछा जाएगा? सवाल पूछने का तरीका, जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूंगा इज देयर अ गर्ल. क्या पूछूंगा? इज देयर अ गर्ल. तो आपने ये नहीं बोलना कि गर्ल है, लड़की है, क्योंकि हमने नफी में आंसर देना, यानी नेगेटिव कहना है, इज नॉट अ गर्ल. क्योंकि हमने कहानी में क्या सुना? ये लो, देयर इज अ मैन. सो जब तक सही आंसर नहीं आएगा तो आप उसको नेगेटिव में बनाओगे. जब नेगेटिव में बनाओगे तो इज नॉट लगाओगे. एम आई राइट? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अभी हम किसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं? देयर इज अ मैन. तो उसके सवाल किस तरह पूछेगा? इज देयर अ बॉय? इज देयर अ बॉय? क्या इस कहानी में लड़का था? नो. देयर इज अ मैन. मैन और बॉय में फर्क है. तुम 18 साल के, तुम्हें मैन नहीं कहा जाएगा, तुम्हें बॉय कहा जाएगा. इसको बॉय कहा जाएगा, तुम्हें बॉय कहा जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ग्रेजुएट. यू आर 18 years old. You are 15 years old. You are 8 years old. So after 18 you are not a man. Okay? So basically, so is there a boy? No, there is not a boy. कहानी में लड़का है? नहीं, लड़का नहीं है. Is there a girl? क्या कहानी में लड़की है? Is there a girl in the story? No, there is not a girl in the story. Is there a child in the story? No, there is not a child in the story. Are there children in the story? No, there are not children in the story. He is a man. There is a man. What was his name? What was his name? His name was? His name is Crazy. What is his name? His name is Crazy. So, is his name John? No, his name is not John. His name is Faisal? No, his name is not Faisal. Is her name Saima? Because मैं लड़की का नाम यूज कर रहा हूं. I'm using a girl name, so I will say not is her. I will say is her. So, okay. I was telling you, when we use a girl name, we do not say is his, we say is her. हम his क्यों नहीं लगा रहे? क्योंकि लड़की का नाम यूज कर रहे हैं. We are using girl name. Is her name Saima? क्या उसका नाम साइमा है? अगर मैं बोलता is his name Waqar, so is it correct? It's correct. But when I try to use a girl name, I will say is her name. Okay? So no, her name is not Saima. What is his name? उसका क्या नाम था?
His name is Crazy.
His name is Crazy. How old is he? How old is he? वो कितने साल का है? He is 30 years old. Is he 5 years old? No, he is not 5 years old. Is he 15 years old? No, he is not 15 years. You have to speak after me, because when you speak, it is called speaking practice. You are doing practice. Okay? So this is called speaking practice. When you do it, you build a confidence. You can speak in 2 months, but you have to do practice like this. Okay, let's continue. He is mentally ill. He is mentally ill. Is he only ill, or is he mentally ill? देखिए, मैं 2 सवाल एक साथ पूछा. Is he ill? क्या वो सिर्फ बीमार है? या is he mentally ill? क्या वो दिमागी तौर पर बीमार है? तो he is not ill, he is mentally ill. So you can say like this. He always says,
He always says,
he's the doctor, engineer, pilot and deputy commissioner of police. What does he say? What does he say? वो क्या कहता था? What does he always say? वो कहता था, he says that he's a doctor, engineer, pilot and deputy commissioner of police. Is it true? No, because he is mentally ill. He imagine he is, but he is not. He think only because he is mentally ill. So he always gets headache. Why does he get always headache? Why does he get always headache? Because he is mentally ill. देखिए सवाल से सवाल बन रहा है. Why does he have headache? Why does he have headache?
Because he is mentally ill.
He is mentally ill. He always gets headache. What does he want? वो क्या चाहता था? What does he want? He wants to be a president of Pakistan. Is it true?
No.
Yes, in the story. Okay. Does he want to be a doctor? No, he does not want to be a doctor. Does he want to be a president of Pakistan? Yes, he wants to be a president of Pakistan. देखिए जितना बोलोगे बोलने से आएगी. जब तक बोलोगे नहीं ना, ये चीजें बोल रही ना, ये स्टोरी को बोल लिया आपने, समझ लो आपकी आधी हेडेक खत्म. क्योंकि इट इज द वे टू स्पीकिंग. देखे आपको याद है उसके पास क्या था? उसके पास बाइक थी. ही हैज अ बाइक. अब मैं इसको सवाल में पूछ रहा हूँ. व्हाट डज ही हैव? What does he have?
He has bike.
He has a bike. Does he have a bicycle?
No.
No, he does not have a bicycle. Does he have a car? No, he does not have a car. What does he have?
He has a bike.
He has a bike. How many brothers and sisters does he have?
Does he have two brothers?
He have two brothers and one sister. He have two brothers and one sister. Does he have? Does he have one brother?
No.
Does he have three brothers?
No.
No, he does not have three brothers. You have to quickly. You don't have to think. If you have to speak, when we speak, we do not think. हम जब बोलते हैं, हम सोचते नहीं हैं. So we do not need to think. We have to speak quickly. We have to speak fast. Okay? So, does he have one brother?
No, he has not.
He does not.
He does
देखिए
not.
सवाल हमने हैव हैज का स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा था, नहीं पढ़ा तो आप YouTube पे वीडियो देखें, उसमें मैं ये सारे अपलोड कर चुका अब तक के. He does not have
He does not have
one brother. He does not have a brother. Yeah, he does not have a one brother. Okay? आ लगाएंगे या वन लगाएंगे, दोनों में से एक चीज. Does he have two brothers and one sister?
Yes, he has two brothers.
Yes, he has two brothers and one sister. Does he have angry nature?
No, he has a polite.
He does not.
He does not.
He does not have angry nature. Does he have
Black.
aggressive nature?
No.
No, he does not have aggressive nature. So, does he have polite nature?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has polite nature. Now I can ask a question and you have to answer, okay? Is there a boy? There is not a boy. Is there a girl?
No, there is not a man.
No, there is not a girl. Is there a man?
Yes, there is a man.
How old is he?
He is 30 years old.
He is 30 years old. What does he have?
He has a mentally ill.
Oh, I'm not talking about headache or illness. I'm talking about possession, उसके पास क्या चीज मलकियत थी उसके अपनी?
He has a bike.
He has a
His name
bike.
is Crazy.
Is his name Salman?
No, his name is not
His name is not Salman.
Salman. His name is not.
Is his name Waqar?
No,
His name is not Waqar.
His name is not.
Carefully, because today is your first day to make a practice, so you are getting stuck. When you are used to it, you have to command on grammar. First, have and has a structure, and second, present simple. I'm using only present simple. I'm using only present simple. State verb is MR, state verb has have, and action verb. He lives in Pakistan. He lives. So, okay. So, what does he always say?
He always says he is a doctor, he is engineer, he is a
He's a doctor,
pilot,
engineer, pilot, and Deputy Commissioner of Police. Okay. So, how many brothers and sisters does he have?
He has 2 brothers and 1 sister.
He has 2 brothers and 1 sister. Does he have angry nature?
No, he is not have a angry nature.
So, is he mentally ill?
Yes, he is mentally ill.
Does he have headache?
Yes, he always has.
He always gets headache.
Headache.
He always gets headache.
He always has.
So, does he want to be a fashion designer?
No, he do not want to be a fashion designer.
He does not want. He does not want to be a.
He does not want to be a fashion designer.
He does not want to be a fashion designer. Does he have a car?
No, he is not.
He does not.
He does not have a car.
He does not have a car. लेकिन does का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है या is MR का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, ये याद रखिएगा. या तो does not आ रहा है या तो is MR आ रहा है. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. So you have to be focused. You have to be practiced. I have given you a paper and you have to do practice at home. And inshallah tomorrow I will take 10 minutes. I will take your 10 minutes and listen this story from you. And you have to do practice like this, okay? You also, okay? Okay? So, and in advance I'm giving you a second story. You have to be prepared. You don't need to learn. You just need to read and understand. When I ask a question, you need to answer correctly. Okay? So now it is raining. No, we cannot say it is raining. It is drizzling. क्योंकि बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. So let's see. Why?